How to find phone number on Facebook. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the SkyTech Studio. So if you can't remember the phone number attached with your Facebook account, then here's how you can find this out. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to check the phone number on Facebook, you just need to go and open up the Facebook application from your phone, and from the Facebook homepage, go and tap on this profile icon at the top right. Now, once you're here inside your Facebook profile, go and tap on this three dot line at the top left, and then scroll down and go ahead and tap on settings and privacy. Now, go and tap on the settings option at the very top. Now, once you're here inside your Facebook settings, just go and tap on the account center, the first option. And from the account center, just need to scroll down a little bit. He'll get to see the option personal details. So just need to tap on this, and inside this one, he'll get to see your contact information. And under the contact information, you'll get to see your email address and the phone number. So this is the phone number that is actually attached with my Facebook account. And this is how you actually can check out the phone number on your Facebook account. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.